we have been learning about R after a vowel, and now when a vowel has R after it, it changes the sound. It's not the normal short vowel sound or long vowel sound. Some people call it a bossy R. So anyways, we're going to talk about OR today. And when you see OR, one of the sounds that it can make is OR. So it does not make the short O sound ah or the long O sound O. So today what we're going to do is you're going to need your word study notebook. So please go get your word study notebook if you have not. Pause the video and go do that. Then open it up to the next blank page, please. And you're going to put OR at the top. And we're going to practice making some words with OR, and then you're going to write them along with me in your word study notebook. So please put OR up at the top. Okay, the first word that we're going to make with OR in it is the word born. Born. So I hear Bubba Bear, born. Born. Let's go ahead and write born in our word study notebook, please. B-O-R-N. Born. Another word that we're going to make is the word corn. And I want you to see something. O-R-N is the ORN word pattern. And that's going to help you a lot when you're writing words that you hear OR in it, and especially ORN is the O-R-N word pattern. So anyways, let's write the word corn. I already have ORN up there, so I just need to put a C there. Corn. Let's go ahead and write that in our word study notebook, please. C-O-R-N. Corn. Please write that. C-O-R-N. Corn. Okay, the next word that we're going to make that has OR in it is the word stork. So, at the beginning of the word, I hear st, S-T, st, ork. And then I hear a K at the end, stork. So when I'm making my word and I heard OR, I wrote it as O-R. Let's go ahead and write that in your word study notebook, please. Stork, S-T-O-R-K, stork. Please write that. S-T-O-R-K, stork. Another word that we can write that has the OR word pattern in it, or word part, I should say, is the word thorn. Thorn. And at the beginning I hear theron, thrush, so that's T-H, and then I hear orn, and then there's an N there, thorn. Let's go ahead and write that in your word study notebook, please. T-H-O-R-N, thorn. Please write it, T-H-O-R-N, thorn. Another word that has the O-R word part in it is the word porch. Porch. So I hear a P at the beginning, porch, and then I hear C-H at the end, porch. Let's go ahead and write that in your word study notebook, please. P-O-R-C-H, porch. Another word that has the OR word pattern in it is the word cord. Cord. So I have a C, ord, and then the D sound at the end, cord. So when I hear or, I write it as O-R. Let's go ahead and write that in your word study notebook, cord. C-O-R-D, cord. Another word that has the or word part in it is the word horn. Horn. So I'm going to put the H first, orn. And then I hear that orn word pattern again, O-R-N. Let's go ahead and write horn in your word study notebook, please. H-O-R-N, horn. Okay, and finally, the last word that we're going to make is the word horse. Horse. Okay, so I hear an H first, orse. And there's actually an E at the end that I don't hear. Okay, but when I hear or, I wrote it as O-R. So let's go ahead and write horse in your word study notebook, please. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Please write that. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Let's go ahead and read through our list of words now. Born, corn, stork, thorn, porch, cord, horn, horse. So what I want you to remember is when you see O-R, one of the sounds that it can make is or.